Hey, this is Jesse with Revved Up SEO. Hope your day is going good. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to kind of give you some tips on stuff that you can start implementing today that'll in turn give you some boosts on your rankings on the search engines. So we'll hit on three key things today. First and foremost, we're going to hit on content. In Google's eyes, content is pretty much king. So as you can tell, if we look here at your website, it's kind of simple and it's lacking in the content. And what I mean by content, as you can probably guess, is anything that you can highlight. And this could be anything from text, links, phone numbers, and then it even goes down to how you save pictures and stuff like that. So the kind of content that you're going to want is stuff that's relevant, unique, and authoritative. And what I mean by that is there's certain keywords and key phrases that you want to be found for as far as your niche. So in this case, it's plumbing, heating, and air conditioning, probably some other stuff as well. But in this case, with the lack of content on your website, as far as your homepage, you're probably not being found for anything on this homepage, which is kind of hurting you when people go and search for plumbers and HVAC techs and stuff like that. So to give you a little insight on what I mean, so this is a tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs, and what it does is it just collects the data from the search engines, puts it into a system where it can lay out all the data. So we'll focus on a few key things right here. This right here is your website strength. This one right here is your trust. So with your website strength is going to come from like your content, keywords, and things like that. Your trust over here is going to come from your backlinks and referring domains mainly. And what a backlink is it's just one website pointing back to your website. All backlinks are not created equal, however. You have strong backlinks, and then you have weaker, no weight backlinks, and then you have stuff that's just plain spammy. So what I mean by that is there's certain backlinks that you want. So you'd want stuff that's more relevant to your niche. So say a plumber or HVAC company out in Texas pointing back to your website, or even say California. Just as long as it's in the same field that you're in, it's probably going to carry some more weight. How their website is ranking also plays a role. What you don't want is stuff that's not relevant. So like ice cream joint, pizza joint, something like that, that's linking back to yours, and especially if they don't have no weight from their links as well. There's stuff that's kind of like casino related, and just if it's a different language, it kind of hurts your links as well. But between your backlinks, you're being found for 36 keywords, and that's pretty good. Your competition, however, is being found for quite a bit more. But to go back into these backlinks, like I said, there's links that carry weight and then there's links that don't. As you can see here, we have 189 of your backlinks. 4 are carrying some weight. 183 of these links are not carrying any weight, or they could be spammy and stuff like that. We can dig into it further if you'd like, but for the sake of the video, we'll kind of keep it a little bit shorter. So with that being said, let's go into your keywords. So it seems based off of these keywords that you've done a pretty good job as far as branding your business, because people are searching for your business specifically. Davis the plumber, Davis plumbing. This one's got, so okay, so first of all, this right here is your volume of searches per month. Okay, so people are searching for Davis plumbing 1,100 times a month. In turn, it's been shooting up your position, things like that. You are being found for plumbing, plumbers, and Albuquerque, and things like that. But to give you an insight on how your competition's doing, I did a real quick search for plumbers and heating. I found Stewart's Plumbing is one of the top. So as you can see, they got pretty good strength, and even though they have a lower trust, the reason why they're in the top spot is largely due to what kind of backlinks they have and their referring domains. But as you can tell, they're being ranked for 317 of these keywords but to give you an idea, they have almost 1,100 backlinks. 776 of those are good carrying weight links, and then they only have 321 that's not. So that's a good thing to shoot for when you're trying to rank, because obviously these guys are in the top spot. So with that being said, we'll come over here, we'll jump into something else that Google looks for. It's over here on this page. You have this Google Guaranteed. All it is just one step to ensure that Google trusts your website and trusts you as a contractor and things like that. If you're not Google Guaranteed, I definitely recommend it. It'll help boost your rankings just by simply doing that. We have ads right here. You can do ads, but if they're not done right, they can definitely be a money pit, and we want to shoot for the organic anyway. So if we get into this, as you can see, this is a map pack, and from here you can see a business name, an address, and a number. So anytime you see those three things together, it's considered a citation. And with citations, the more citations you have in different directories such as Facebook, Yelp, Houzz, Angie's List, stuff like that, the better. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to go in and figure out how many citations your competitors have, go in there and put in some more citations than them, and then it'll start helping your ranking up here. So with that being said, we touched on content, backlinks, and citations. If you started making these changes today on your website and adding those backlinks and citations, you'll start noticing a significant jump in your rankings. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope you found this video educational and you got some nuggets from it that you can take away. If you want to go ahead and implement this yourself, that's fine. No harm, no foul. But if you want to get with me and get an attack plan together on how we can actually get this website ranking and getting it closer and closer and closer and eventually to the front page, definitely get back to me. I'd love to help. But I hope you have a good day. Take care. Thank you for your time.